Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 GTA. This color of yellow is phenomenal. I love it. Really a sharp looking car. If you haven't already, go on ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video. And the purpose of this video is for you to get a look at it out in the sun, hear how it drives, kind of virtually put you in that driver's seat. So when you call our sales department to buy this, you have a lot more knowledge. For all other information, the 100 or so extra pictures we have of the exterior, the undercarriage, engine compartment, trunk, all the details and specs, and the pricing, go on over to volocars.com. We have all of that over there for you. Just wait till the end of the test drive before you do that. Gorgeous car. Door opens with ease. Is that all it takes to shut? Yeah, shuts easy. Here it looks like the factory dash. All the clusters and everything. Got your fuel gauge, clock. That's not there, obviously, speedometer. The dash looks incredible. Everything up top and the back. It all looks really great. I don't know when this was restored, but it was done fantastic. Looking at the side of the doors, I'm not seeing anything that I can really point out. Let's go and start her up. Seeing up here a little bit of paint chip. That's fine. Temperature gauge moves. Fan kicks on. Alright, this is the first time myself or anyone from the shop has had a chance to take this out on the road, so any hiccups or anything that I find out, you're finding out for the first time with me. So here, let's start out, get a little feel for it. I like the horn ring still attached. I know those can get kind of expensive sometimes. Steering wheel corrects nicely. Accelerator feels great. The brake pedal back there. Drive straight. The steering wheel's a little bit off. We'll adjust that. Ride's really smooth down the road. This seat is really comfortable. Took that a little wide. Very minimal rattle. That road's not that smooth. It's a real solid, nice ride. I honestly believe she looks beautiful enough to win you some trophies at some shows, but I would love driving this around town. Plenty of get up and go. trying to think of something that I don't really love about this vehicle, and I'm not finding it. Let these cars get a little bit out ahead of us. Up to cruising speed. Nice. This thing, I've had a big smile on my face this whole test drive. Oh, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said before, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and right now is the time to head on over to volocars.com. See all those pictures, the detailed write-up, and the pricing, and give our sales department a call. This beauty is not going to last here for long. As always, I appreciate you.